we've got Bandit's bark box. So if you want to see what he's got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and this little guy is Bandit, and we have his bark box. So if you're new, thanks for stopping by, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Now, bark box is a monthly pet treater box for dogs, and all of the information is down below if you're interested for your own little sweet furry. And there's a theme every month, and this month we have the Carnival barkers. And there's our stuff. So there are 2 toys, 2 treats, and then 1 special treat. And Bandit goes absolutely berserk over these. So we have, looks like we've got a whack-a-mole game. Yeah, see? There we go. Can you get it? Hold on. Hold on. Nope, you gotta choose. You gotta choose. Hold on. All right, Bandit, we've got the whack-a-mole and we've got the hammer. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? You want the hammer? Good choice. Now you want the mole? Okay, you changed your mind? Next, we have this little cotton candy guy. Do you want this, Bandit? Do you want this? Come on out. No, he wants what's left in the box. So we have our 2 treats. We have jackalopes with pumpkin and cinnamon. So these are little soft cookies. They look like little tiny little, well, they look like Cheerios, but bigger than Cheerios. And gobble soft bakes with turkey. So Bandit, which one does the good boy get? Which one? Which one does the good boy want? You can't choose? So many choices. Pick one. Okay. Gobble soft bakes it is. So here is what they look like, and Bandit says they're very tasty. And then the specialty treat this month is a beef recipe jerky type stick, or yeah, they're soft, they're not hard, they're not really hard. Then there's little activities, little tips to beat the heat, and Bandit hates this part. There you go. I'm sorry. Go get your toys. All right, that's what we have for this time around. So let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you haven't already. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.